about to give them what they want. I don't think they're ready for this though. Beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode.
What's good, YouTube? You know who it is. Chris Jones, representing Punk Chasers. And we got Deneese over here.
Hey guys.
So, I know a lot of you guys are cutting. Based off my last vlog, you know, you want that motivation coming, so here it is.
I'm gonna go ahead and start prepping the salmon while Chris preps the sweet potato.
Yeah, so check it out. Deneese want to make this little snack, dinner, whatever you want to call it. Salmon bites. Okay, salmon bites, and we're using the air fryer right there, guys. And I was like, what are we gonna have with these salmon bites? And she said, asparagus and white rice. So you know what? We always do white rice. Let's do potatoes. And since you're already doing so much with the fish and the veggies, I'll do the potatoes for us.
Oh, thank you.
Let me show you something real quick too. All right, how about that?
Oh, my bad.
Shut
up. Not fun.
I've been doing potatoes all week, so it's no big deal, as y'all see. I've been having these. If you watched my vlog, Lean Jones episode 1, you already saw that. So no big deal. I'm already doing it anyway. Cut there. Now cut the ends. All right. That's what I do. I get it right down the middle. Bam. Okay. Then I chop it down again. Bam. And then I go. Bam. And I go. This is all you gotta do. Just keep bringing it down. Just keep chopping them down. Real simple, guys. Teamwork makes the dream work. Alright, now check it out. See it's chopped down? I got a little cinnamon nutmeg chia blend. Just go ahead and throw that on there. Just kind of mix it around. Now get the water. Alright. Get the water. Bam! Potatoes. Bam! Check it out. All you gotta do is push steam. I put on 30 minutes and steam again. Bam! Simple. Usually I'll go to the gym or something, come back, potatoes are already ready.
Okay, I'm so sorry guys. I kind of got ahead of the game and I was trying to prep and I prepped too far. But I just wanted to kind of show you guys about when you cut the salmon. They're going to come in like a fillet like this. It's going to be long and they're just going to be like regular. See, I cut it already because like I said, I got ahead of it. So, but they're going to come like this. And when they come, all you do is like that. Very simple. Just
so take those fillets and you chop them down in little squares.
The little squares, and that's it. And that's how you make the bites.
Let me show them this bag.
And they have the skin on it.
Hey, I have a question too. You can do it with fresh salmon or in the pan, it don't matter, right?
We did ours.
Yeah, we got. What store you get this from? Whole Foods?
No, I got it from Kroger.
Kroger.
So it just
it don't really matter, guys.
Yeah.
We just want to show you how the salmon we use, just in case. But you can use fresh salmon.
You can use whatever salmon
packaged up and frozen. This is frozen salmon.
Yeah, you can use whatever salmon it comes in your local grocery store.
Cool.
Okay, so that's how you cut them up. They just come like that. Most salmons don't come in bites like this. You have to cut them. I would try to get them pretty thick and long, so then that way you can be able to cut them into some nice size bites like this. Yummy, yummy. So
like little sushis.
Yeah. So what I'm going to be using is pink salt. I'm going to be using the salmon season, black pepper, garlic, basil, and cilantro. Okay. So you're just going to get a bowl. Once you chop up all of your salmon, you're going to put it in this bowl. And be gentle, because if you're not gentle, it will kind of come apart. I keep the salmon skin on here because when I put it in the air fryer, I'm going to put it on the skin side so it cooks better. And then you can eat the skin if you want to, or you can take the skin off. It comes right off once it's cooked. So, my hands a little bit. Okay, so then we're gonna use the cilantro, and it comes in a squeeze. So I would say about 2 tablespoons.
Where you get the seasoning from, by the way?
This was in the grocery store.
I never seen it like that before.
Oh, okay. So this was in the grocery store in the produce aisle.
Which store, you know?
Kroger.
Okay.
So if they don't have one in your area, if you don't have a Kroger in your area, just go to the produce aisle in the area where there's refrigerated, where the fruits and the vegetables.
And they might have it there?
They will have it there. And another 2 teaspoons or tablespoons. Sorry.
That's dope. So it's not your first time seeing this around?
No. So once I put that in there, I'm gonna take a little bit of black pepper. So you're gonna season to your liking.
And blackity black. That's a good seasoning right there. I like this. The salmon seasoning right there. I like it.
And then we're just gonna use a little bit of the pink salt. Just a little bit.
Pink Himalaya.
Yeah. Because fish is kind of already salty.
Yeah.
And this is already. So then you're gonna take your hands, kind of get it all mixed up in there.
Don't be afraid to get in there, guys.
Yeah.
When it comes to trying to get lean, guys, trying to make better eating choices, you gotta get shit that tastes good.
So that's how it should look.
Bam!
If you want more seasoning on there, you can, but like I said, salmon is kind of salty, period. So I wouldn't use too much salt. But once you fry it up, if you feel like it needs a little bit more seasoning, just add it up on top. Oh, and then where's my lemon? Right here.
Oh shit.
Get a little lemon in there, and you're gonna put a little lemon juice in here, and you're gonna put a little bit of lemon juice after.
Oh yeah. I can eat just like this.
Yeah, it's gonna be good.
Oh yeah. Smell good. Mmm.
All right, let me grab a paper towel. All right, and you can put this in your air fryer with your hands, or you can use, we call them tongs. We're gonna use tongs. All righty, let's go put it in our air fryer.
All right.
Turn the air fryer on at 400.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna open it.
Yeah, I'll
Skin down.
All right, guys, we got on temperature 400, and we put it in skin down.
Skin down. So you try to put as many as you can. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it in here, and I'm gonna set the time for 12 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, so I stopped it at because I wanted to add a little bit of avocado, but
That should smell good.
honestly, I
Can't eat
mean,
like that, damn.
it looked. I mean, it just
How
depends.
down the fish gotta really be? I know when it comes to like chicken and some shit, there's a certain temperature you
No,
gotta
you
get.
can eat it. You can eat this now because salmon can come medium.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I can take this out right now and it'll be
Go ahead and do
good.
it the way you've been doing.
But I'm not even gonna do the full 12 so I'm gonna just do until 2 minutes, and I think it will be done.
So that's 10 minutes total.
Yeah, 10 minutes total, not 12.
Okay.
So
So instead of going to 12 minutes, guys, we're gonna do 10 minutes because
yeah,
it's looking pretty done.
because this looking good right
All
here.
right, so 10 minutes recipe because you did 400
Yeah.
temperature.
Yeah.
All right. See you in 2 minutes.
All right, so we're done. Yeah, that's ready. Look at that. That looks so good. So I'm just gonna take this out, guys, and then spray the pan again, and then put the other second half, and then we should be done. Do it too. Put this second batch in.
Look who woke up, guys. Look who woke up.
Okay. So this is how I do this. It's multitask. I know, baby. I know.
Oh, crispy. Juicy. Well, that's good, boy. Well, that's good. That air fryer is true, boy. That skin. Oh, yeah. That's full of flavor.
I know. It traps.
Juicy on the inside. Crispy on the outside. Hot though. Hot. Woo.
I got my asparagus and tomatoes already cut up and washed. So when this heats up, add a little bit of avocado oil and add that in there.
That sauce pretty good. You like it? They got the sauce right here. This is Kung Pao stir fry sauce. Only 5 grams of carbs, mostly sugar. For 2 tablespoons. I'm curious. 2 tablespoons is 35 grams. Let's see what 35 grams look like. I'm hella curious. Alright. Can you see the 0 on there? Let's see what 35 grams look like. I'm curious. That's not bad at all. Look at that. I haven't even gotten 35 yet. I can stop with there.
What was that, 15?
22. What? Yeah, 20. It says step. My bad. 20.
20.
Not bad at all. Look at that.
That's enough.
Yeah, I could have did with half.
Yeah.
I could have went ahead and went
15.
yeah, 17.
17.
Woo! Now let me give y'all an honest review of this sauce. This sauce is okay. When I tasted it, I assumed teriyaki, sticky, sweet, right? And it's like, I was expecting, anticipating a real sticky, sweet taste like a teriyaki. This is good, but to be real with you, this salmon tastes just fine without the sauce. Just fine without it. Look at this. Just fine without it. You don't even need the sauce, but the sauce is okay.
Yeah, we don't need the sauce.
What would you rate this sauce? What would you rate this sauce?
Out of 10, I would give it a 4.
Okay.
It's alright.
What sauce you use in yours?
I usually use teriyaki, but they didn't have teriyaki. And the sweet and sour had too much sugar. And the teriyaki is usually like that, has macros like that.
Okay. The teriyaki is a little better.
Yeah, but I was like, Kung Pao, I mean, it's Panda. I mean,
Yeah.
so their sauces are usually pretty
You
good.
typically use the Panda's teriyaki too? So Panda got a teriyaki, it's a little better than this.
It's asparagus and it's tomatoes.
Yeah, guys, you cutting them carbs? Are you cutting them carbs right?
Sorry, y'all.
Try something like this right here. And if you want to cut those carbs down, give them veggies.
So, I wanted to try this. I got this at the store. It's an Italian herb and garlic blend. And I want to try it on the vegetables. Alrighty, so we're gonna let that cook for a while. We're gonna let it cook for about 2 minutes with no lid. And then I'm gonna come in, stir it, and make sure it's not sticking, and then let it cook for another 2 or 3 minutes with no lid. And then once I get the brownness, a good little char on the asparagus, and once I see the tomatoes kind of get a little softened, then I'll put a lid for a few more minutes so that way it can fully cook. So we're almost done with the asparagus. Spray it a little bit. Go ahead and add a little pepper. Ooh, that was a lot of pepper. Add a little pink salt. Alright. Mix it all up. Alright, it's ready to serve. I might even add a little bit. This is just off freestyling. Add a little bit of Parmesan. There you go. Alright. There you go. Nice and...
Try some of them veggies?
Really?
You ready?
Ready? Yeah. Where's that little...
Let's try some of these veggies, guys. Them veggies smell good. So I know for a fact, guys, if I gotta cut my carbs real low, I can eat stuff like this. You know what I mean? Now, what did you order with the avocado spray?
Yeah.
At the end of the day, guys, you can be on 40 grams of carbs a day. Which, now that 40 number sounds very low. It is a low number, but don't think of that. Food-wise, you can still go to bed full every night if you're willing to make substitutions. Substitute the rice, the potatoes, the rice cakes for shit like this, or spinach, salads. Get it done, no excuses. I want to see you fucking hoe ready this summer. Don't walk around with no titties and love handles. Anyway, guys, you already know. BeastMode316.com for coaching and programs, meal plans, merch. Puncturesist.com, launch coming soon, right, Deneese?
Yep.
We got a launch coming soon, new items dropping soon. And you already know TigerFitness.com. For pump shakes and slugs, get that Cuts FTS fat burners. I never cut without it, guys. And don't forget, Deneese is on Instagram, Deneese2005. And if you don't want to lease, call Deneese. She has 2 Instagrams. Fuck with her, guys. So you already know. Beast Mode Jones on Instagram. Thank you guys for your support. And we'll see you at the next video. Peace. We need a moment of silence before we fuck up these weights.